Good afternoon, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey, and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this beautiful Sunday afternoon, March 11th, 2012. To start things out this afternoon with a beautiful clear sky all across the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states, all the way down through the Carolinas. There's some high cirrus clouds, but really nothing of importance here during this afternoon. And we owe this bit of pleasantry in our weather to large high-pressure system right along the eastern United States coastline, cresting and ridging right off the northern mid-Atlantic, the central mid-Atlantic coast states this afternoon. And we see a return flow developing to our south, to our west and south, and that will bring very mild temperatures well into the 60s on Monday afternoon in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, 60s and upper 50s elsewhere. And on Tuesday, well into the 70s across this entire region. And we'll start things out with the NAM WRF model from Penn State's eWall site for this afternoon right through the next 48 hours. This is the composite of cloud and radar reflectivity forecast. It's simulated going into the next 48 hours. Start out this afternoon with lots of clear skies, absolutely no cloud cover or very little cloud cover indicated by this particular product. We'll move things now into slow motion and see if we can start this out. A lot of clear skies will be around the forecast area through tonight and even tomorrow, and temperatures are going to soar into the 60s. And here comes the scattered to high cloud cover around the region. High pressure will be moving off the mid-Atlantic coast, and this is the warm front now with some showers snaking through the Great Lakes and making their way into Pennsylvania. The warm front will be weakening, and clouds will be on the increase. There could be a few spotty showers around here on Tuesday, and another band moving through, and then a cold front moving through on Wednesday afternoon. And we'll start out with the WRF NAM model's 2-meter temperature forecast for overnight tonight. And we can find out generally temperatures this evening after sunset getting down into around 50 or 55 degrees around the New York City area and basically in the 40s inland. If we move this ahead into the day on a Monday, we can find very chilly readings starting out in the upper 30s and 40s under clear skies and very calm winds over the interior sections of northern New Jersey and parts of upstate New York as well, and right around 40 or so right along the immediate coast and in and around the city and the lower Hudson Valley. As we get into the afternoon hours, temperature is going to modify really rapidly, already rising well into the 50s by around 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then temperatures responding nicely into the 60s across all of northern New Jersey, central and southern New Jersey, most of Pennsylvania. Now, I want you to look very carefully here during the afternoon hours right along the immediate coastline. You see water temperatures here offshore are in the mid and upper 40s. And temperatures along the immediate coastline could be cooled with a sea breeze kind of effect. We're going to have southwesterly winds inland and aloft, and that's going to produce a lot of warming across the interior sections of New Jersey and the New York City metropolitan area, even on Long Island. But right along the south-facing shores of Long Island, and also right along the immediate coastlines of New Jersey, we could have what we call in meteorology an onshore wind or a cooling effect, where not actually an onshore wind, but an onshore wind along the south shore and southeast facing shores of New York and Long Island. But right across the New Jersey coastal waters from Sandy Hook all the way down to Atlantic City, we're probably going to develop some kind of sea breeze front during the afternoon, and this is going to be very apparent again during the day on Monday afternoon, on Tuesday afternoon rather, where temperatures inland are going to get into the 70s. And if we put this in motion here, we could even find a few temperatures on Monday afternoon approaching 70 right in northeastern New Jersey and the city proper. But right along the immediate south-facing shores and again along off the New Jersey coast, that's where temperatures are going to be cooled by temperatures in the 40s. So take the inland temperatures in the 60s, ocean temperatures in the upper 40s, and we could get a massive cooling effect right along the immediate coast, and that's something that Doppler radar is going to be able to pick up during the afternoon hours. And again, temperatures dropping down into the upper 40s and lower 50s across all of the area during Monday night and Tuesday morning, and then rising rapidly back into the 60s. And by the afternoon on Tuesday, look at this, we could find temperatures cooled along the immediate south-facing shores again. And that sea breeze front could make it inland further across central and eastern sections of Long Island, and also again across southeastern Connecticut. But away from that, west of the bridges and tunnels and inland across the Hudson Valley down through New York City and back into Jersey, temperatures could be responding in the low to the mid 70s on Tuesday afternoon with a brisk southwest wind. Current surface analysis Sunday afternoon, high pressure cresting over the Virginias and the Carolinas here this afternoon, and a return southwesterly flow, generally very light at this time. As we get into the forecast period for tonight, again, high pressure cresting and ridging off the northern and central mid-Atlantic coastline. Here comes the area of low pressure across the upper Midwest. Cold front, warm front culprit moving into the areas here. And then as we get further along, the warm front will be overtaken by this cold front, including to the north and west of here over Illinois and parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. And the clouds will be on the increase, but we'll be buffeted by that with lots of clear skies and southwesterly winds increasing during the day tomorrow and tomorrow night right into Tuesday. As we get into the afternoon hours, and this would be for Monday morning, and then again on Monday afternoon, we find the weak frontal system breaking up now. A few showers in the clouds across Pennsylvania down through the Tennessee and Mississippi valleys. And as we get through the day on, this would be for Tuesday, actually Wednesday morning, we find the cold front has slackened and moved off the mid-Atlantic coast. High pressure ridging coming in again. Not very cold air behind this system, so behind the cold front, so generally high pressure ridging again across the mid-Atlantic states, and temperatures modifying back up again by Wednesday and Thursday afternoons. And as we can see by Friday, high pressure is still across a large chunk from southeastern Canada all the way down to the Gulf Coast states. And I'll be back with you bright and early on Monday morning, March 12th, for the details upcoming through the entire week. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You enjoy this beautiful Sunday afternoon.